Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Open Crew Sea of Thieves. Open Crew is a fantastic way to jump straight into the action, allowing you to quickly find a crew and set sail without needing to gather friends. You'll be matched with other pirates looking for adventure, and you can select your preferred ship size, from a nimble sloop to a mighty galleon. It's an exciting, unpredictable way to experience the seas, offering unique interactions with new crewmates. When choosing Open Crew, you'll pick your ship type. A sloop is perfect for 2 players, offering agility and ease of management. The brigantine holds 3 pirates, balancing speed and firepower. For a full crew of 4, the galleon provides immense power but requires coordinated teamwork. Think about your preferred playstyle and be prepared to take on various roles, whether it's steering, managing sails, or manning the cannons. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful Open Crew voyage. Utilize voice chat if possible, or the in-game pirate chat wheel to convey your plans and listen to your crewmates. Clearly state your intentions, whether you're raising anchor, spotting an enemy ship, or repairing damage. Coordinating tasks like steering, adjusting sails, and engaging in combat ensures a smooth and productive journey. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work on the high seas. For a smooth Open Crew experience, patience and understanding are vital, especially with new pirates. Share your resources like cannonballs, wooden planks, and bananas to ensure everyone is well equipped. Respect your crew's decisions, even if you disagree, and always contribute positively to the voyage. Embrace the unpredictable nature of sailing with strangers. It's part of the fun. Focus on having a good time and making the most of your shared adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.